Hi guys, how you doing? Chuck here. Today we are going to install the windows in the rear doors of the van. As I showed you last week, we painted them, got them all painted. Now we have to put the doors back, the windows back into the doors. That way, you know, I took the windows out so that I can get all this cleaned up and sealed. Now what we got to do now, I took the windows out and cleared out all the sealant. We got to put new sealant in. Now this here is called Buell tape. It's 3/6, I believe this one is 3/16. Comes in a roll. Now you can order this off of Amazon, or you can go to the local glass shop, which I did here because I wanted to get it now and not wait for, I don't know, probably a couple days. So what you do is you got to clean all of this out. Oh, sorry, got my I'm corded, but you got to clean all the old stuff out of here, scrape it out, and then take some rubbing alcohol on a rag and get the rest of it out. I mean, you're going to get a little bit, but you know, even after 18 years, this stuff is still pliable. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our roll. Where's a good, probably a good place to start, I would think, would be on the bottom. That way, if you got a little bit of overlap, that's where it's going to be. And this is the window. This is the driver's side. So I'm just going to start it, set it in. There's a track here. I'm going to set it in the track, go around. I got a spider on here. And just keep putting it in the track. I'll give it a little something in. You know, these windows do bolt in. Take the paper off. Come around the curve here. This is basically, it might kind of have a flat side on it. And you work it into the track. Okay. Into the track. I'm gonna lift this up because I'm not sure my camera angle. Okay, then just keep working in here. Kind of take the paper off as you go. That way it doesn't get in the way. And keep working it down in the track. Just kind of push it on there. I mean, this is quite thick, but you don't want no water. Now these windows don't open up, but they seal to that. Okay. Just keep bringing it around. Okay, like I said, this is 15 feet of Buell tape, and it's real easy. Like I said, it's real soft, and I'll cut it right there in the middle. So I mean, you know, if it rains, hopefully that'll do it. And then, I mean, this stuff is really pliable. Okay, now, so put it there and just kind of go back and fit it all there in the track. Okay, get in the track. Now, I'm gonna move this over a little bit. I hope this was the right size. Now, make sure it's, you know, press it in there. You don't want no leaks. Okay, and like I said, there's 4 bolts that go on here. Maybe press it down a little bit more there so you can get them in. And here's the door. Okay, see, it's all in there. Okay, and take your door or your window to the door, and there's 4 holes there. Fit them in there. I'm gonna bring this around, kind of press it in. Like I said, I was replacing the doors on the van because the one door I got is a little bit dented. Okay. I don't know if you could see it, but See where the bolts come through. And this is, I think this is like a 3/8. I mean, yeah, you want to squish it down good. You got to be kind of be careful because it may want to turn, which this one is doing. Okay, I had to get a pair of pliers because the little bolt here was kind of spinning on me, so that I could get it started. I just kind of clamped onto it and turned it, or held it and turned it, and that way it'll seal these up. Oh, there's one. And just kind of tighten it up, do it in a diagonal. This one still wants to turn. Just kind of hold it with your hand. It'll stay. Now once I put these on the van, I'll take these ones off again because I got these clips. That'll be in another video on how that works. Now see, this one still wants to turn a little bit, so I got the needle nose because it's real thin. You want this tight, you don't want it to leak. Okay, just for good measure, I'll hold that one. That one's nice and tight. This one a little more. Get them about the same. This one's got to go a little bit more, because you don't want to have to take these off and redo it, because you'd have to scrape out all that old stuff. Like I said, it's very pliable. Okay. That looks good. Like I said, these ones are tinted. The ones I have in there aren't tinted. And then at a later time, I have windows for the side of my van. I'm gonna go get them. And these will go in the side doors, because these ones are tinted. But as I've showed you, I got covers over right now. And this is the one that opens. This is the one when you first open the side doors on the van. This is the one that the window just opens up. But that'll be at a later time. But I had to get these doors done first. Same thing on this one. Take your Mule tape. Like I said, I got I think that's 3/16. But I also got this thinner one. But this one, I don't know. I did this one on the top of the windows, but I don't know if it'd be thick enough to go all the way around. But I can always find another use for this. But like I said, okay, let's see. Where's the top of the window? Okay, here's the top here. I guess I got my other stuff there. So, same thing. Let me get some water. Uh-oh. I forgot to put my microphone back on. Doggone it. Might have to redo that. Okay. Like I said, over here I had to get I got the little needle nose pliers on it to tighten it up, because you don't want to redo this. Get them all about the same. A little bit more on this. Yeah. And then when you get to the other side, same thing. Kind of start at the bottom in the middle, which would be right here. Put it in the groove. Like I said, it does kind of have a flat edge. And we'll go around. Tear it off just because, like I said, it gets in the way. In the groove. Get your groove on here. My little work table. This table has served me good this year. Right now it's kind of rocking and rolling. Get it in there. So if you're enjoying this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, any comments you have. Like I said, if you're doing a van build or something, let me know. Ring that notification bell if you really want to know when I got a video. I'm trying to get more videos. I got kind of slowed down for a minute. But this one's, yeah, kind of press it in before you put it in the window. Get the groove thing going. Make sure it's nice and tight. Like I said, I cleaned it out real good. Then took a little alcohol and brushed it out some more. Got the dirt out. These ones already had the pins in it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. I'm not sure if I'm off camera. Put this one in. Nope, seems to be in. You know, I told myself I would buy more equipment when I got more subscribers. Right now, I just have 20. Let's try to get 100 by the end of the summer. Wouldn't that be great? Okay. My 4 nuts, my driver, have my little needle nose here. This looks good. That one. If you have to, just get a little mallet and just kind of pound on those a little bit. But look at here, we got them all on. And that's how you reinstall the glass in your doors. I mean, that makes it a lot easier. You know, because I didn't have to worry. I didn't have to tape anything off on this door. Had all the glass out. Had the license plate holder off. So yeah, I know. I got a little overspray on my weather stripping, but that'll be okay. So either today or tomorrow, I'll go ahead and get some help and I'll install the doors. I'll show you how we'll install the doors on the back of the van. Could use a ratchet on here, probably be a little easier. I do have my ratchet over here. Let's see. This is like a tiny little 1/4-inch drive. Cute, huh? It actually works a little better. Might have to redo the other door. Just a little bit of time. You don't want to crack these things. This one really needs to be done. And just for good measure, we'll do this one a couple of times. Now that son of a gun is tight. Yes, I did pretty good with that old screwdriver type. All right. There it is. The glass is installed on the doors. Like I said, that's the driver's side, and over here we got the passenger side. Just turn it around. Get a workout doing these doors. Hope I got that in the frame, but there it is. Like I said, this Buell tape, you can order this off of Amazon or go to the Speedy Glass like I did and do your doors. All right, it's Chuck, Glamper Van Adventures, signing off.